How to use Robinhood application for first time as an investor here on your PC or on your mobile device if you're using the app here. So for the better view, for better understanding, I'm going to show you all the steps regarding this, how you can simply start the investing, how Robinhood application works. Now, Robinhood works the same way as any other online stock exchange works. Firstly, you just need to submit an application form to open an account with Robinhood. Secondly, you transfer your funds to the Robinhood account, and then as soon as the money hits your Robinhood account, you can start buying or you can start selling the stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies from this one application. So this is the model how it works. Now, how you can simply start buying or selling stocks on this. Load up the Robinhood application on your device. Search for your favorite stock, ETF, or cryptocurrency if you have an active account. Then tap on the trade button. The next page will give you the option to buy or sell. Tap the buy button to buy it. Select your order type from the upper right corner and then confirm your order. This is all you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video.